Echo, sing for me.
A song? I'd love to. Your circuits are fused, you're feeling confused.
Singing for us. You know. It's a new day, new gadgets, a new video. Today I've got the new Amazon Echo. I actually had it for a while now, for around 2 months, 2.5 months. Been using it for a while. It's actually just there, so you'll be seeing it in a minute, just there. And it's been an interesting journey with it. Quite a few things to comment on. First and foremost though, give me a second. There you go. So this is the Amazon Echo. Definitely a really good quality build. So it's got a nice anti-slid plastic at the bottom. It's got 2 connections in the back, one for the power and one for a jack port if you have more speakers to connect to. It's simple access buttons. You get the mute button, volumes up and down, and this one is a switch on Echo. Very sturdy, quite heavy actually. I'm just reading off the box. And what else? All-rounder, it's quite good. It's got mics surrounded all over, so you could actually speak to it from anywhere in the room. It doesn't work always, but it did this job whenever we needed it to work for us. Yeah, and obviously the most important thing is the sound quality. The sound quality is actually very good. It's got some serious bass on it. Treble is good, very clear. The music comes out of it brilliantly. I changed its name from Alexa, which is usually the most common, to Echo. I actually call it Echo. So when I call it Echo, it responds. So the response is quite good. Most of the time, even with the music on, it still recognizes my voice, and by telling it Echo, but you have to be that bit louder and it gets it. And then you tell it what you want. In most cases, when the music is play next song or volume down, and it does work. Actually, you know what? Let me show you how it works. Echo, play music.
Resuming Spotify.
Echo, volume up. Echo, stop music. Echo, what's the weather like?
Currently, in CAHERSIVEEN it's 18 degrees Celsius with intermittent clouds. Today, you can expect some sun and thunderstorm.
Echo, do you know any game?
Okay, I know a lot of games. Would you like to give Earplay a try?
Yes, sure.
Welcome to Earplay, where you can play stories with your voice. Since this is your first time, we'll get you started with the Earplay demo right away.
Hello, testing. This is Dave. If you can hear me, say either pancakes or rutabaga.
Pancakes.
Good choice. Unfortunately, now I just desperately want pancakes. But first, the demo. Now, Earplay is all about stories, so we're going to tell a story together, with you as the main character. You'll hear prompts like the one I just gave, except instead of random foodstuffs, there'll be choices for what to do in the story.
Okay, now you know how it works. Most of the time when we use it for the music, really. I call it a glorified music player. We don't have a lot of smart home devices in the house. We only have a Nest, which I have in the back. I have that connected. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's more the Nest than the Echo, really, in my opinion. Which in my case, the Nest it's touch and go. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah. Another thing is I've got the app on my phone. It works fine. There's a lot of things you need to. Setting is not the easiest on it. I will show you a video on that one. Actually here, I'll show you the video on that one right now. Alright, let's see now. We're back again on the whole echo. We're going to be testing it through the phone. Let's go to the phone app. And it's there. There you go. So playing Spotify, it works brilliantly with Spotify. These are the menus. So skills, let's see what skills it has. These are functions or apps, if you want to call them. You could add them to the skills and then it could work through that. So let's play Beano. So you're not eligible due to skill geography restrictions. So okay, see, this is the thing. Being in Ireland, there are some of these skills you cannot use. This one specifically is because I'm not in the country. This game could be used. Oh yeah, you have reminders and alarms. So you could add a reminder and then say, remind me to wake up tomorrow, or you know what, you could put a timer as well on it. So if you're using this fella here and you want to cook something and then you want it to be reminded about it, it will do that. So we won't put a reminder because it will start annoying me the whole time. So what do we have now? Routines. You could set up routines. So routines is, let's say you could set up, okay, Echo, do send me some information on the news, play the music when I say something like this. Start my day. Also, let's see now. We have smart home, which is the most popular one. Got my, this is actually, so there you go. There, this is my Nest. Let's click there. Okay, let's make it work. Echo, put the heating on.
It's set to heat.
Nice, and there you go. It's been put on for heating. So this is more of a display of the heating that's up there. You're gonna have to take it here. You can't control it through this one though. Okay, and it's gone. Now, it's kind of handy, useful if you wanna, if you're being lazy. Mind you, I do have a Nest app here, so I can just switch it on through that. Now, let's go with things to try. Talents. Let's say play games. Tell a joke. Oh yeah, here's something. Echo, tell me a joke.
What do you call a donkey with one leg?
What?
A wonky donkey.
A wonky donkey. Yeah, she's not very good with jokes, I must say. Now that you saw how the Alexa works, the Echo itself works on the phones, you realize not much you could say to it. Just you could ask it to make a call or send a message. I do not have it, as you notice, I do not have it connected to Amazon Prime or an Amazon account per se, for one simple reason, is that I almost ordered something by mistake and it didn't go through because there was no card available for it. So that, thank goodness for that. So yes, it does happen. When you go online and you search that, you notice a lot of people went through the same. So just be careful with that. For the price, it's actually worth it in my opinion. With the music, I have it connected to my Spotify, connected brilliantly, and I ask it to play a list and it plays that list, which is amazing. It listens sometimes if you say something similar to Echo or Alexa, or the TV says something, it actually listens to it and then it responds to it. So you have to be careful with that. Don't put it beside a TV, definitely. Don't put it beside another radio or just something with a sound, really. Don't put it in your room. Not a good idea. It does listen all the time. So actually, we actually switch it off most of the day. When we want to listen to music, we switch it on. Here's another thing. It's great with kids. My kids love it because it plays games. There's a game called Earplay where it tells you a story and you actually tell it, which gives you options throughout the story. And then the story says, okay, you open the door or you run away, and you could choose, and then it goes and then tells you what happens in that scene, which is brilliant. math problems. It's a computer eventually. They always ask it to sing for them. This is a very funny moment where the kids always love it, they love listening to it singing, and they play that a lot with it. So yeah, I mean, it's got a lot for it. I would definitely buy it maybe for Christmas or for someone's birthday or Father's Day. I'm not sure when this video comes out either. It already passed through in Ireland or it's Father's Day tomorrow maybe. So for Father's Day, we'll see. So there you have it, everyone. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button, because there will be some competitions coming up very soon during this video and after. One of them is a bag by Hind Planet. They sent me 2, so I'm giving 1 away as an extra, and then there's 2 phones that will be given away as well. I'll start with the phone though. But if you want that bag, might as well do subscribe. See ya.